Hello everyone. In our previous video, we learned about Roman numbers from 1 to 39. In this video, we will learn about 1 to 100. There are 7 basic letters in Roman numbers, and we have already seen that I, V, and X, and using these 3 letters we write Roman numbers from 1 to 39. Now to write Roman numbers from 1 to 100, we need 2 more letters, that is L and C. So in this video we will learn about these 5 basic letters I, V, X, L and C. Now we seen that I carries value 1, V equal to 5, X equal to 10, L equal to 50 and C equal to 100. Rule 1, we have seen that some letters repeated, and repetition means additions. Like I repeated, if I is written 1 times, then its value is 1. If it is written 2 times, then 1 plus 1 equal to 2. If it is written 3 times, then 1 plus 1 equal to 3. X is also repeated. If X comes once, then it is 10. If X comes 2, then it is added 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. If X comes 3 times, then we add 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. In the similar way, C also repeated, and repetition means addition. So if C comes 1 time, then it is 100. If C comes 2 times, then 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. If C comes 3 times, then 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. Earlier we have seen that V cannot be repeated. Value of V is 5. In this way, L also cannot be repeated. So we have to remember that the letters I, X and C can be repeated, and maximum repetition is 3 times and not more than 3 times. So, and if the numbers repeated, they can be added. And V and L, they not repeated, they can be written only once. This is the rule 1. Rule 2, we know that larger number come first and a smaller number come second, then that numbers can be added. If V come first and I come second, V carries higher values, that is 5, I carries lower values, that is 1. That is, V is larger number, I is a smaller number. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Next is Xi. X is larger number, I is a smaller number. So X 10 plus I 1. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Here in the same way, you see that L, X, V, I, larger number and then the smaller number. So we can add all these numbers. So L carries 50, I carries 10, V carries 5, I carry 1, I carry 1. So 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 67. Next example, L, X, V. Then larger number come first, then the smaller number. So here we can do addition. L carries 50, X 10 and V 5. So 50 plus 10 plus 5 is equal to 65. Now the rule number 3. A smaller number comes first and larger number comes second, then there is a subtractions. For example, I is the smaller number, V is the larger number. So we subtract a smaller number from larger number, that is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Here in the same way, if a smaller number come first and larger number come second, so we can subtract X from C. So value of C is 100 and value of X is 10. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. in the same way, we see that x come first, L come second. Value of x is less than value of L. So value of L is 50 and value of x is 10. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Here we have to note that I can be subtracted from v and x. I can be subtracted from v and x as we seen in above two examples. X can be subtracted from L and C. X can be subtracted from L and C. In the next two example, we see that X can be subtracted from L and C, and V and L never subtracted. They come only once in a number. In this way, we write Roman numbers from 1 to 100. If you have any queries about this, you can write on the comment and enjoy learning.